Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Outlook version and account type so you know which export options apply. Next, open File, then Open and Export, and select Import/Export to start. Choose Export to a file and pick Outlook data file, PSD, then select the mailbox or specific folders you want archived and check Include subfolders. Once done, choose a secure save location and set a password if desired to protect the PSD file. Now configure export details. Pick a clear file name and a destination path on local or network storage. Make sure to set duplicate handling to either replace or allow duplicates depending on your needs, and confirm Include subfolders remains checked. Click Finish, and if prompted, set an optional password for the PSD. While exporting, monitor progress in Outlook. Large mailboxes or many attachments will extend time, so avoid interrupting the process to prevent corrupt files. Finish by opening the archived PSD in Outlook through File, Open and Import, open Outlook data file, then verify the folder structure, open a sampling of messages, and confirm attachments open. If everything matches, move the PSD to long-term storage and update your backup routine. If you encounter errors, make sure there's sufficient disk space. Run the inbox repair tool, Scampst. exe to fix PSD corruption, and, if needed, re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.